Hi guys, in this video I'll show you how to share other status on WhatsApp. So this is an easy and simple guide, and make sure to watch this video till the end. So first of all, open your website, and once you're on the website you can see like chat, settings, tools, calls and updates. So make sure to go to the update section, and once you're in the update section make sure to put on an status. Like as you can see, I have uploaded the status, and once you upload a status, after that what you can do is just open the status, and from here you can just click on these three lines and you can choose the option, or you can just close it, and from here just click on these three dots, and from here just click on the forward or share. So basically if you choose the forward option, that will forward your status to all of your contacts. Like you can select the contacts, and after that it will share to those friends or your contacts. And if you choose the share option, you can just click on share, and after that it will start sharing. Like you can just copy or save image, or you can share to your Instagram or any other application that you want to share, so you can share it there as well. So that is a simple and easy process if you want to forward your status, or if you want to share status on your WhatsApp. So that is a simple and easy process.